Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring the image is suitable, correct resolution, and a common format like JPEG or PNG. Once done, insert it with Insert Pictures this device so Word embeds rather than links the file. Make sure to set wrap text to align with text initially. This prevents shifting while you edit. You'll do quick visual checks, zoom to 100% to confirm clarity, because fixing layout later is easier when the picture is embedded and stable. You now refine how the image sits and looks. First, drag the corner handles or open the layout dialog to enter exact width and height, and lock the aspect ratio so the image doesn't distort. Then change wrap text to tight or square to let text flow around it, and use position to anchor relative to page or paragraph. Finally, use picture format tools. Crop unwanted edges, apply corrections for brightness/contrast, and compress pictures to reduce. You finish by locking the layout and saving changes. Anchor the image to a specific paragraph, and if needed, group it with nearby objects so it moves as one unit. Save the document as a docx and use save as to keep a backup before big changes. If the image looks pixelated or shifts unexpectedly, reinsert the original embedded file rather than a linked copy. That usually fixes low-res or broken layout issues. If problems persist, compress, then re-export the image at a higher resolution before reinserting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.